ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan pintrekam ya ka scheme jingïarap hadu inyo pusan pesen ban kershani ki hotel bahe hatura bat Jowai ban pindap ya ka jingduna jakasa shwaga National Games arjar arpunyo. Umentri ba wailan ulo ong bahadian ke jingyalang jong ka National Games Secretariat Society lalap ba Shillong kabyang henre hatura bat Jowai dangdon jingduna kamra. Banlait na ka jingte ka banshem jing'e ban pinne pat hadian ka sorkar ka jiet ban kirshan ya ki botki hotel lingba ka subsidy bat ailad ikitrai shnong ban sengkam jungo kai perthei ulo ongru ba ka jila kam shania atang ha ka sorkar pedeng hinrei kala pinlut da ka pisala jong ban pinkre purai ka national games ha ka jo kapor lapin banaru ba kino kino kiba jop takma ha ka national games kinyo kam sorkar kumshibinta ban aimensi mi kinong ele kai ka Meghalaya katmu ban pinlong ya ka National Games arjar arpunyo kum ka jingere kai ka ba job bat ka basa jingkan ma
The decision is just formally today since it was the first meeting, so no major, because we are just trying to settle in, because there are a lot of things need to be done for in order for the society to be able to function. So that was the only few agenda we discussed. Recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game only, but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jowai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to lead to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels, but we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting, he visited the site, he also was quite happy. And then a month back also, our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister, Dr. Mansukh Mandviaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation is going well. That time also, I think not all, only few incidents were there, and I think quickly it was taken care of, and they have I think the sport department were swift. They have given a swift response. And if you have seen, then after that, I think we were all witness that the last national game in Jowai, I think, I don't know, according to me, and I have tried to check in the media also, I have not seen anyone complain from during the last Meghalaya games in Jowai. So and even in for that matter, the Northeast Olympic game and other games which were being held, no doubt small issue will be there when you are organizing this event of this scale. So definitely here and there it will be there, but this is a prestige occasion for us, especially national game. So it is the whole country will be here. So we are not taking anything for granted. So we are fully prepared, and that's why you have seen that we have not waiting for the sanction from the central government. We are going all out with the state fund for any kind of construction, for any kind of which we need for the national game. So we are going forward, way ahead. So I'm quite sure and I'm quite confident under the kind of support we are getting from the chief minister, from the other department. So I'm confident that we'll be able to run this national game smoothly and make it a memorable one. Because our what we really desire is not that just to host this game. We also want that our athletes and our players to perform well, and that's why for their encouragement with the government and from the sports department, we have passed the policy of the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment policy, where anybody starting, actually we are trying that even from last year national game also, for those medal winners also will be included, where they will be given the job. So from next year onward, that whoever will bring medal from the national game itself, they will get a government job. So I think it's a huge encouragement for our athletes, our players, and even for the parent to support them. And at the same time, we really want to have a good show. I mean, like would see that the performance of Meghalaya also will improve. So that's why you have seen that from the sports department, we have decentralized everything. It's not that like in the past, with due respect, I've seen many associations have to come and beg to the sports department, please give us this, please give us that. But now we have seen from the last year itself that we have released all 39 crores we have sanctioned for the team preparation, where we, no doubt, since we are giving money, so there should be accountability. So we have given some set of guidelines that you have to fulfill. So we have given the money to all the association, where they can buy equipments, they can hire human resource and other things. So we are trying to decentralize these things so they can prepare our athletes. And because of all this initiative, I would say, I think that's why in the recently concluded Khelo India tribal game, the performance of Meghalaya was tremendous. Where the rank last year, Meghalaya rank in the Khelo India tribal game was 29, but this year it's a huge jump from 29 to 13th. We finished 13, and we'll continue to work hard, and we'll continue to support the association and the athlete, and I'm quite sure that next year we'll enter top 5, and therefore and hopefully will be on the top. So I think because of all this initiative and all this effort, and I think the result also you could see it. So with all this, I'm quite confident that it's not only will be able to host the national game, but will also will perform well.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisa suddenly ki email pa jong apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Ki sedang sya na 4 rooms, tamba na 4 rooms ni sutho ba mah nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand na kadau ka floor jong ki tourist kila sedang board hading ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan katsandu habawan kum kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kolong big opportunities hingi ki yun bangin Ioh Kam ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli ingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers ki like hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kibai ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive ka award ma katin ka gold award jang ka sustainable Indian tourism ni Ioh ka orange instay ma to ka kwa tekan ka ni ka company ba ka government ni ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lot ya baro